Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can enable auto lock on your Binance account. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. To begin with, you need to open your Binance application on your device, then tap on the Binance icon. From here, you need to tap on your profile. It will bring you to the account center. From there, you need to choose security. And if you scroll a bit, you will find the auto lock option. So you need to tap on that. And here you can enable the Touch ID or the pattern. Using pattern to unlock the application, or you can use your Touch ID to unlock the application. So suppose I enable the Touch ID, you can enable the pattern as well. And here, for how long that you want, if you're not using the application, so it should immediately become locked. After 1 minute, 5 minutes, this is the time duration that if you're not using your application, it is idle. So after 1 minute, it should auto lock. If you choose 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, or 1 hour, so I will choose just 1 minute, and that is it. Now you enable the auto lock, which is 1 minute. And if you're not using your Binance application, your account for 1 minute, it will auto lock, and then you need your Touch ID to unlock the application. So guys, this is all it takes to enable auto lock in Binance account. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.